Hi, welcome to Picky Parents Recipes. Today we are going to see how to make one pot chicken curry. Let us see the ingredients required. Chicken 1 kg, salt 2 teaspoons, chili powder 3 teaspoons, oil 60 ml, turmeric powder 1.5 teaspoon, 3 medium tomatoes, 100 gram shallots, 50 gram garlic. Grind the shallots and the garlic separately into a fine paste. Also cut the tomatoes into thin slices. Add all the ingredients to the chicken one by one and mix it evenly. After mixing, let it sit for a few minutes. Heat the vessel and pour 60 ml of oil in the vessel. Once the oil is heated, add the sliced tomatoes and mix it gently. After the tomatoes are cooked nicely, add the chicken and mix well. Close the vessel and leave for 15 minutes in simmer. After 15 minutes, when the gravy becomes thick, add a handful of curry leaves and mix it well. Try this delicious dish and enjoy it with your family. We'll see you with another interesting recipe. Till then, stay yummified.